Welcome to my channel. Please like, subscribe, watch, and share.
Learning objectives. After studying this module, students will be able to define computerized accounting system, differentiate between manual and computerized accounting system, know the advantages of keeping computerized accounts, learn about the limitations of computerized accounting system, know the factors that should be kept in mind while sourcing any accounting software. Concept of computerized accounting system. Concept of computerized accounting system. A computerized accounting system uses the computers and accounting software together to input, save, and analyze financial data. This system processes the financial transactions and events as per generally accepted accounting principles, GAAP, and gives the reports as per the requirements of the users. Every accounting system, whether it is manual or computerized, works on two aspects. First, it has to follow a set of well-defined concepts known as the accounting principles. Another is to work on a user-defined framework for maintenance of records and generation of reports. The framework of storing and processing of data is known as operating environment. The choice of accounting software depends upon many factors like number of users, level of secrecy, nature of work, number of transactions. Every computerized accounting system has two basic requirements. Accounting framework. It contains the set of principles, GAAP rules, coding, and grouping structure of accounting. Operating procedures. It is well-defined operating procedure prepared in sync with the operating environment of the organization. These days, the computerized accounting systems are based on the concept of database. A database is defined by a collection of computer programs that helps to manage and organize data in a more effective way and provides access to the stored data by various application programs. Basic requirements of computer in a database. Front-end interface. In a front-end interface, user directly interacts with the application. It works as a link between the user and the software through which the user communicates to the back-end database directly. Back-end database. It is the data storage system that is hidden from the user and gives the limited access to the user to which he is authorized. Data processing. It is a sequence of actions that converts the data into useful information. Reporting system. It is the integrated set of objects that contains the useful data for decision-making and analysis. Comparison between manual and computerized accounting. Comparison between manual and computerized accounting system. Accounting is a systematic approach of identifying, recording, measuring, classifying, verifying, summarizing, interpreting, and communicating financial information. Let us understand all these things in the context of manual and computerized accounting system. Points of difference between manual and computerized accounting system. Identifying financial transactions. Accounting records only those transactions which are financial in nature. This is common in both manual and computerized accounting system. Recording. In manual accounting, the transactions are recorded in original books of entries like ledgers, journals, whereas in computerized accounting, the entries are recorded in a customized database. Calculation. In manual accounting system, all the calculations are done manually, whereas in computerized accounting system, we just need to input data and calculations are done by the system. Summarizing. In manual accounting system, preparation of ledger accounts becomes mandatory for preparing the trial balance. Whereas in computerized accounting, it is not necessary to create ledger accounts for preparing trial balance. Adjusting entries. The manual accounting system is made for rectification of errors, whereas the computerized accounting system cannot be made for rectification of errors. Financial statements. In manual accounts, the preparation of financial statements are dependent on the availability of trial balance, whereas there is no such requirement in computerized accounting system. Closing the books. After preparation of financial reports, the accountants have to do posting of closing and reversing journal entries to prepare for next accounting period. Whereas in computerized accounting system, there is a year-ending processing to create and store opening balances of accounts in database. Speed. The manual accounting is slow as compared to computerized accounting system. Advantages and limitations of computerized accounting system. Advantages of computerized accounting software. Computerized accounting software has many advantages over manual accounting software. Let us discuss all of them. Speed. The accounting software processes data faster than the manual system, as computer can work with more fast speed as compared to human beings. Accuracy. The possibility of errors are less in computerized accounting software, as primary accounting data is entered once for all, whereas the chances of errors are more in manual accounting system as data is entered repeatedly while preparing reports. Reliability. We know that a computer never gets tired and never gets bored. So, we can perform repetitive operations on a computer system, which is not possible in case of manual system. Up-to-date information. In computerized accounting system, the data is updated automatically whenever the data is entered and stored. But in manual accounting system, we need to do that manually. Real-time user interface. As in computerized system, all the systems are interconnected, so information can be made available to all the users at the same time. Automated document production. In computerized accounting system, the reports can be generated just with a click of mouse, as most of the computerized accounting systems have standardized inbuilt user-defined format of accounting reports that are generated automatically. Legibility. The data displayed on a computer monitor is typewritten with standard font, which helps in avoiding untidy written work done manually in manual accounting system. Efficiency. Computerized accounting system makes better use of time and resources. Quality reports. The reports generated by computerized accounting system are more reliable as compared to manual accounting, as it has many inbuilt checks to ensure reliable accounting reports. MIS reports. The MIS reports created by computerized accounting system helps management to control and monitor the business more effectively. Storage and retrieval. The computerized accounting software helps an organization to store large amount of data without utilizing more physical space, and data can be easily retrieved as when required by the user. Motivation and employees' interest. The computer system requires a specialized training of staff, which motivates them to develop interest in the job. Limitations of computerized accounting system. Cost of training. The computerized accounting software requires trained staff, so huge training cost is incurred to employ trained employees. Staff opposition. At times, the staff opposes the system as they have a fear of loss of job, or they will become less important in the organization due to use of software. Disruption. When an organization switches from manual to computerized accounting system, then there may be loss of working time as accounting staff takes time to adapt to the system. System failure. There could be chances of system failures due to hardware failures or virus attacks, so fear of loss of data is always there. Inability to check unanticipated errors. Since computers do not have any intelligence, so they cannot identify the unanticipated errors. Breaches of security. Frauds and crimes can be committed by alteration of data in computerized accounting system. Ill effects on health. The excessive use of computers may lead to various health problems, backache, eye strain, muscular pain, etc. This also affects the working efficiency of accounting staff on one hand and increased medical expenditure on such staff on the other. Sourcing of accounting software. Accounting software is an important part of the computerized accounting system. Before adopting accounting software, it is important to consider the accounting expertise of people who are responsible in organization for accounting work. The need for accounting software arises in two situations. A. When the organization plans to replace the manual system with computerized accounting system. B. When the current computerized system needs to be updated in view of changing needs of the organization. Accounting packages. A computerized accounting system is used to perform recording and storing of accounting data and generate reports as per the user requirements. So, on this basis, accounting software can be divided into following parts. Ready-made software. This software is not developed for the specific users. Rather, it is developed for the used by the users in general. This software is suitable for small organization where transactions are less. This software is easy to learn and adapt, and it's not necessary that all the modules are of use for every user. Customized software. These software are developed as per the needs of the users by making changes in the ready-made software. When the standardized software does not fulfill the requirement of the user, then it may be customized to meet the special requirements. It is suitable for large organizations. The cost of installation and maintenance is very high. These softwares can maintain secrecy of data, but the training costs are very high. Tailor-made software. Tailor-made software is software that is specifically developed for some specific organizations or other users. These software are used in large business organizations with geographically scattered branches. It can accommodate more users at one time. These software requires special training to the users. Factors which we should keep in mind while sourcing an accounting software. Flexibility. The software should be flexible to run on various platforms and should offer flexibility between users, hardware, and software. Cost of installation and maintenance. The cost of installation and maintenance should also be considered, and as different organizations have different capacity to bear the cost. Size of organization. The size of the organization and volume of transactions also affect the choice of accounting software. An organization having small business can have a single user accounting software, whereas an organization with large business can have high-level accounting software. Ease of adaptation and training needs. The accounting software should be user-friendly so that can be easily adapted by the users and also should have low training cost. Utilities. The MIS reports and how much they are being used in the organization also affects the choice of software. Expected level of secrecy. The software should maintain secrecy and should avoid unauthorized access and manipulation of data. Exporting and importing data facility. Organization may need to transfer data directly from the ledger into spreadsheet software for reporting. The software should allow such transfer of data. It should have the importing and exporting facility. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned in this module. A computerized accounting system is an accounting information system that processes the financial transactions and events to produce reports as per user requirements. It is based on the concept of database and has two basic requirements: A. Accounting framework, and B. Operating procedure. Advantages of computerized accounting system: speed, accuracy, reliability, up-to-date, scalability, legibility, efficiency, quality report, MIS reports, real-time user interface, storage and retrieval, motivation and employees' interest, automated document production. Categories of accounting packages: ready to use, customized, tailored. Factors which should be kept in mind while sourcing for accounting software: cost of installation and maintenance, flexibility, size of organization, ease of adaptation and training, utilities, expected level of secrecy, exporting and importing of data.
Welcome to my channel. Please like, subscribe, watch, and share.